Hello, you are warmly welcome to another video today. We have to prove today that log 5 base 2 is an irrational number. So how do we go about that? Well, at the beginning, in order to prove questions like this, we usually go by something we call the contradiction method, okay? The contradiction method, or the method of contradiction. So for the method of contradiction, what we do is at the beginning we assume that log 5 base 2 is a rational number. Then we subject log 5 base 2's rationality to some factors. Now at the end of the solution we realize that log 5 base 2 doesn't follow the format we use at the beginning. And if it doesn't follow that format, then we rather say that since it doesn't follow the format, then it means it's not a rational number, and it's as a result of that an irrational number. So at the beginning we will say that let log 5 base 2 be a rational number. So we assume that log 5 base 2 is a rational number. Let me write that. It's a rational number. Now if log 5 base 2 is a rational number, it means that log 5 base 2 can be written in the form of a fraction, because all rational numbers can be written in the form of a fraction. Okay? Good. Then we let log 5 base 2 log 5 base 2 to be equal to a over b. The reason why we can equate this to a over b is because we've said that it's a rational number, and if it's a rational number, it means that it can be written in the form of a fraction. So over here, a is any number, b is also any number at all, but not a decimal. A is not a decimal number, it's a whole number. Okay, good. So log 5 is 3 for a over b. Over here, b can't be equal to 0, because if b is equal to 0, a over b becomes undefined. So b can be equal to 0. And also, the greatest common factor of a and b should be equal to 1. Okay, the greatest common factor of a and b should be equal to 1. So having considered this, let's continue. So if log 5 is equal to this is in logarithm. We can convert this from logarithm to indices. Okay, so convert from logarithm to indices. So in order to convert this from logarithm to indices, it's simple. What we just do is that we make this become the exponent of the base 2 over here. Then we equate that to the logarithm of the number. So we let a over b become the exponent of the base 2. And we equate that to the logarithm of the number we are considering. So this is the equation we have, and we converted this from logarithm to indices. Okay, now we can multiply through by an exponent of b in order to take away the b over here. Okay, good. So let's multiply through by an exponent of b. So times b equals 5. 5 already has an exponent of 1, so multiply by b. So this b cancels out this b. We have 2 exponent a to be equal to 5 exponent b. Now, this place is just not good. This is so not good, because this equation we have here is not true. This can never be true. 2 exponent a can never and never and ever be equal to 5 exponent b. Why? Because 2 is an even number. So no matter the exponent we subject 2 to, we'll always get an even answer. So let's write here. We write that 2 exponent a is an even number. Okay, because no matter the exponent we subject 2 to, we'll always get an even answer. Okay, and 5 exponent b is an odd number, because 5 exponent any number at all will always give an odd answer and not an even answer. So an even number can't be equal to an odd number. So what it means is that there's a contradiction here, right? There's some because this equation is telling us that 2 exponent a is equal to 5 exponent b, but that's not true. So since that's not true, then that's a contradiction. So if it's a contradiction, then it means that the assumption we had at the beginning that log 5 base 2 was a rational number wasn't true. That log 5 base 2 was a rational number. And if it's not a rational number, then it must be an irrational number. So due to this contradiction, we write that due to contradiction, or due to the contradiction, log 5 base 2 can't be equal to a over b, and as such is an irrational number. It's an irrational number. Yes, so this is the method or the procedure we go through in order to be able to prove that log 5 base 2 is an irrational number and not a rational number. So thank you very much for your time. You have to stay tuned for more and more educational videos. Bye-bye.